Today we are going to be taking a little bit of a detour from our audio stuff because we have some upcoming videos that are actually going to be sponsored by an exhaust company that y'all know very, very well and is known in the market. But today we are throwing our 2020 Indian Challenger along with our 2021 Indian Challenger on the dyno for some bass numbers. Man Nick here at Adrenaline Rush Motorsports. It's the same building that we are located in, so we're co-located here. Adrenaline Rush Killer Group here. Nick does all the mechanic work in the back, and then the other side of the crew sells you parts and sells you all these awesome Segway and CF motos here. So today we are throwing our two shop bikes, and again we have a 2021 Indian Challenger. This one has a simple intake snorkel delete. It's got a Canon air filter. It's got a Bassani 2-in-1 exhaust with a Mad Monkey M3 tune on it. And the 21 Challenger that we have outside, which is a base model, that just has slip-ons. I think it has a snorkel OEM filter, nothing else done to it. So we wanted to get two different base lines on these bikes. So my bike, all we're gonna be doing is taking off the exhaust. We're going with another exhaust, which is going to be sponsoring the next video. I'm not going to tell you what exhaust that is, but the 21 Challenger is getting a similar exhaust, but for the big bore kit, because the other bike is getting a M3 Hoonies big bore kit done on it, air filter as well, similar exhaust, just a big bore kit version of it. That may or may not tell you what exhaust we're doing. So let's go ahead, we're gonna let Nick finish this up, and we're gonna give you some videos of the poles of both of these bikes, but I'm not gonna tell you or show you the dyno numbers. What I'm gonna do is, I want everybody to guess what the dyno numbers are gonna be on both of these bikes. I'm gonna do 2 gift bags for customers. It's gonna be a small gift card, a t-shirt, and some stickers to the 2 people that are closest on each bike. So it's like, the rule is you can't go over. So the closest below the number for the horsepower and torque are gonna win that little gift bag that we'll send out to you guys. And we will update that in the following video, which is gonna be the install of the exhaust and then the after dynos of both. So stay tuned for that. Let's get this bike rolling on the dyno. My bike has been taken off the dyno. She is now out there. So shop bike number 1 has been taken off the dyno. Let's talk about shop bike number 2. This is the 21 Challenger. This was the base model. So as far as we can tell, we got it from a customer. He put slip-ons on it. Everything else is stock. I'm pretty sure, let's see if the snorkel's still in it. Yeah. Where is it? There's the snorkel. Snorkel's still in it. No tune, no air filter, no nothing. This bike is about as bare bones stock as possible. So what we're wanting to do here is get some before and after numbers, because as y'all already know, in just over a week, we are heading to M3 and Hoonies Garage to spend a week there to do installs. But that shop bike is getting a big bore kit along with a new exhaust, and my bike is, we're just gonna do a clutch in it because it's older. So we're gonna update the clutch cable, and we're gonna be throwing a new exhaust on it. which you will see in the following video, which yes, has been sponsored by this company. I'm super excited and absolutely honored that they're doing this for us. And we will put both bikes back on the dyno to show you what a near bone stock to a big bore kit with a new exhaust and the whole tune, and mine with another tune and exhaust. On my bike, I don't expect to see any difference in numbers really, because I don't think the exhaust is gonna make that much of a difference, but we will see. And Nick is ready to get on the dyno, so we'll show you some runs on that. And again, not showing you guys the numbers. That's gonna have to wait to the follow-up video when we do the exhaust and whatnot. So yeah, let's get this thing going. Going to conclude our dyno runs for both of our bikes. I wanted to come out here and specify something. If I'm talking louder, it's because we're out in the street. Okay, I messed it up in the video. The white bike is my 2020 Challenger. This is the other shop bike. It's a 2021 Challenger. This one is what we started the business with. Bill used to have the same exact one until he decided to rear-end a car. Kids, don't rear-end cars. This one is a 2021 base model. Again, it's got what we think some slip-ons and nothing else. Mine has the snorkel removed intake, the air filter, 2-in-1 Bassani, and a M3 Hoonies garage tune. We're gonna go inside and finish this as I'm tired of yelling. What we're gonna be doing is I'm gonna give away 2 little care package gift basket things away to 2 lucky people. And what it is that whoever can guess the closest horsepower and torque for both bikes. So for the 2020 and the 2021, the 2 people closest to both of those ratings will get a free gift certificate, t-shirt, some stickers, and whatnot. So drop your comments down in this video. We're not gonna release it until the following video, which again is sponsored by a killer exhaust company. I cannot wait for this to show you all the install and the dyno result numbers and reveal who wins those. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. I'm Brandon with Davidson Audio, the leaders in the Indian motorcycle audio, period.